Alrighty guys, we are here at Menards here in Watertown, South Dakota. And guess what? We have an elevator here to ride. And it's a Schumacher. So, go ahead.
You better get off first.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, it's a Schumacher. Okay, this one interesting, a Schumacher all the way up here. Never gets old. It's a nice cab. Really? Come on. But you're not literally an animal, but you decided to become one. Anyway, this is the indicator. Capacity is 4,500. Shoemaker. Very satisfying buttons. Yes. This thing has a loose panel. Apparently so, I forgot to tighten the screws here. Hopefully this was in addition to the store. And there it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.